In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your meeting settings on HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to optimize your meeting management, understanding how to track meeting outcomes is crucial. This tutorial will guide you step by step, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the HubSpot User Guide. This is your go-to resource available directly from your HubSpot account. Think of it as a comprehensive manual where you can find detailed information and help on the various features of HubSpot. Simply open your preferred web browser and log into your HubSpot account. Once there, you'll want to locate the user guide, which is usually found on the main menu or your dashboard. Click on it, and it should take you to a dedicated section filled with helpful resources. Now that you've reached the user guide, the next step is to click on the Settings option. Settings is the central hub where you can personalize your HubSpot experience and adjust a wide range of preferences. Within the settings, you can manage things like user permissions, integrations, and of course, meetings. Finding the settings is quite straightforward. When you're in the HubSpot user guide, look for a gear icon or a link labeled Settings. Clicking this will open up a menu where you can begin tailoring your settings to fit your needs. After accessing your settings, the third step involves locating and clicking on the Meetings tab. Meetings is the section devoted to everything involving scheduling, tracking, and configuring meetings in HubSpot. It's here you can set up meeting links, customize emails, and importantly, manage how you track meetings. Within Settings, Meetings should have its own section or tab. By clicking on it, you'll gain access to all options related to managing meetings. The final step is to click on Track Meeting Outcomes. This is a critical feature as it allows you to record and assess the results of your meetings. Tracking meeting outcomes in HubSpot means you can better understand the effectiveness and productivity of your interactions, giving you valuable insights. Once in the meeting section, look for an option or toggle that says Track Meeting Outcomes. By enabling this feature, you ensure each meeting's results are documented and can be analyzed for improvements in your processes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily set up HubSpot to track your meeting settings. This feature not only helps streamline your meetings, but also enhances productivity by providing clear data on your engagements. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to check out other resources and tips within HubSpot's user guide to get the most out of your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.